Now there are days which are very much rainy. In such a condition, weather condition, rainy, heavy rains, the main rubric, which is general's weather rainy aggravation. If a patient come to you and tell you about his complaints are only aggravated during heavy rains, which are the remedies in homeopathy that can be think of? His complaints may be coryza, cough, maybe rheumatoid arthritis, joint pain, maybe skin complaints. Which remedies you should think of? The prominent remedies you should think of are lemna minora, ruxtox, dulcamara, natrum sulph, and moreover sulfur is also there, silicia, arsenicum album. So many remedies. As per the most simillimum you have to choose. Thank you very much.